Even the most trusted suppliers make mistakes, and in dropshipping, their mistake can quickly become your legal problem. If a supplier ships a product with a manufacturing defect, incorrect wiring, or a missing safety instructions, and that product harms someone, the customer's lawyer isn't going after the overseas factory. They're coming after you, the seller, and lawsuits for product injuries can cost tens of thousands of dollars or more. Next Insurance Product Liability Insurance helps protect you in exactly these situations. It covers a legal defense cost, settlements, and damages if a product you sell, even one drop shipped directly from a supplier, is found to cause injury or property damage. You're not relying on your supplier to do the right thing. You have your own protection in place. Next Insurance builds policies for small businesses, meaning you get only the coverage you need at a price that makes sense for your margins. You can apply online and in most cases, be covered on the same day. Don't let a supplier's error destroy your business. Click the link in the description below to get your product liability insurance quote from Next Insurance now.